Hey friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making stuffed eggs, or deviled eggs as some people call them, 3 ways. I've got 9 eggs in my pot. I've filled my pot up with water to cover the eggs, and I put about a tablespoon of salt in that, and I'm waiting for it to come to a boil. When it does come to a boil, I'm going to pull it off the eye and let it sit for 10 to 12 minutes. The eggs have been sitting for 12 minutes, and now while they were setting, I filled a bowl up with water and I put ice in it so it can get cold. So that's what you're going to put your eggs in. Be sure not to fill your bowl up with water all the way, because when you put your eggs in there, the level will come up. And as the ice melts, okay, we're going to let it sit in the water for 10 minutes. The eggs have cooled, and now we're going to crack them open and peel them. Okay, we're going to start halving the eggs and taking the stuffing out of them. You just take your knife, cut it in half like this. It's nice and pretty. Okay, I've got all the eggs separated. If you want to be just a little bit more fancy, you could kind of wash off the eggs if you wanted to, but I don't think there's no need in it. We'll take a fork, and this is just classic egg filling, classic stuffed eggs. This is what I like. Stuffed eggs, you can add anything you want to them. Some people don't like mayonnaise, so you can put mustard or other things in it. We're going to put just a dab of garlic. This is half a teaspoon. This is not even half a teaspoon. Put a little bit of pepper, a tad bit of salt, and some mayonnaise. Probably maybe a tablespoon, maybe a little more. We're just gonna mix it together. And a little bit of mustard. You don't want it to be too dry, but you don't want it to be runny. That consistency like that. I'm gonna get my egg. I want to put it right in the eggshell, like that. Got 6 of them. And that's what these look like. Sprinkle a little paprika on them for color. Just a tad. Now some people don't like paprika, so don't put it on there. So we can make everybody happy. And that's regular stuffed deviled eggs. Now we're going to make stuffed eggs with olives in it. I've taken about a half a dozen olives and I've chopped them up real fine. And these are stuffed olives. And I want to do the same thing. I want to mash my eggs, yolks. I'm going to put probably, I guess all of it. He likes a lot of olives. And he likes Miracle Whip. So those of you that don't like Miracle Whip, you can use mayonnaise. But he likes Miracle Whip. That's about 2 big teaspoons. I'm going to put pepper. I'm not going to put any salt in his because the olives are very salty. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic. This is a half a teaspoon. I'm going to mix it all together. Now this is the recipe for 3 eggs. The recipe for 6 eggs will be down in the comments. We're going to mix it all up. Get it all incorporated. Okay. I have a little bit left, so I'm going to go to the first one. Put it in there, right on top. See what these look like. They're nice and stuffed. They got the olives in them. And I usually put an olive on top. I think I'll do that. This shows him which is mine and which is his. See, he knows which one is his with the olive. Now for the third, this is called bacon cheddar deviled eggs. I've got my eggs. Same as the other, I had 3 eggs. I've got 3 eggs with 3 yolks that I'm mashing together. I got it all mashed. And I'm going to put this is 1 large piece of bacon chopped. That's about a little bit more. 2 teaspoons. And then mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons. We'll put pepper, because the bacon is salty. And we'll put cheese, a 1/2 tablespoon. Put a little bit more in there. And just a little shot of mustard. And we'll mix this up. I saved a little bit of the bacon for put it on the top. Take my egg and fill it. It smells delicious. They're going to be filled real good because they got the bacon and the cheese in it and everything. You can even put a shot of Tabasco sauce in this if you want it a little spicy. I was supposed to put Tabasco sauce in my husband's with the olives, but I forgot. So I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of bacon over the top. Let people know what's in it. And there you have it, bacon, cheese, deviled eggs. They look delicious. And you could put a little bit of cheese on top if you wanted to fancy it up a bit. Deviled eggs are so versatile. You can put anything in it, all kinds of flavors. You know, eggs are plain, but you can do so much with them. Or you can just smash it up and make a sandwich out of it. So I hope you try these recipes. Deviled eggs are good anytime, anywhere, and especially at Easter, during the summer, at a picnic, holidays. There's usually always a tray of deviled eggs. The difference between stuffed eggs and deviled eggs is that deviled eggs had a little heat in it by some kind of hot sauce or some kind of hot spice. That's how it got its name, the devil. Down in the comments, let me know what you like to put in your stuffed eggs. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.